Okay, hi guys. Today I have something very special for you. This video will be mainly for people who are just starting out trading binary options. People who have no idea what binary options are, how to trade them, where to get useful information from, how to even look at them on a chart, how to look at an asset on a chart. Um, so I'll be making a six-part series all within this video. So in the description, I'll put down each times where you can click to tell you about different information that you want to find out or where to go. I'll also be posting the links to the different websites which I personally recommend, where you can go and view information and gather information to help you trade as well. So without further ado, we'll get right on it. So a lot of people ask me what are binary options. Okay, so it may seem like an investment, but binary options, to cut it short, is essentially gambling. Um, you're betting against a broker, which would be the equivalent of a bookie, whether the market will go up or down within a certain amount of time. And now, if you get this correct, you'll be paid a fixed amount, which will be viewed above the trade, so it might offer you 78%, 80% return, and you can get these, within 60 seconds and up to, 180 days. The trades vary, but what you need to know is this isn't an investment. Okay, so this is essentially just betting if the market will go up or down. Now, there's pros and cons to this. Obviously, it's high risk, but obviously there's a high reward as well. And if you compare this to traditional investment, where you might be expecting to get 7% return a year on your investments, binary options, people can be making upwards of 100% a day. It just depends how you trade, and if you have good money management as well. Okay, so also moving on to the next question: what to expect when you first start trading? Okay, so when you first start trading, you put the money in the account. You don't want to lose emotions. You don't just want to trade, willy nilly. You don't want to follow, um, you know, other traders. So it's quite hard to explain. So on the broker, so I'll show you now what they'll offer will be, for instance, the sentiment. Okay, here you go. Now, obviously, you can see it says 48% are saying it's going to go up, 52% are going down. Okay, and these aren't reliable because these vary over different time frames. So if I change the time frame, um, it stays the same over the time frame. So essentially, it could be going down within the next 90 days, as you can see here, but 81% of people are saying it's going to go up. And then if you go to 60 seconds, it still says 81% of people are saying it's going to go up. So the sentiment here is not accurate. We need to make our own sentiment and gather our own information to make our own judgment whether the market will go up or down. So I'll be covering this in the video as well, so you can understand easily how to do it. And as I mentioned, don't let emotions get in the way. Obviously, your first trade you place, really exciting. It's really fun, and it can get addictive. It's like forex anyway. Binary options and forex, they're both addictive. They're both more or less gambling. But as long as you know and you have an idea where the market's going to move, where it's going to go, you can, this can be beneficial to you because you can start making money from this quite easily, just with a click of a button, really. And now moving on to the next one, a lot of people ask me, what are you looking to earn from it? How much are you looking to make? Well, binary options in the UK, whatever you make is completely free. It's tax free. Okay, so say you deposit the minimum amount, you take it up to £1,000 or $1,000. You withdraw the $1,000. It's completely tax free because binary options is classed under gambling and not an investment. So it's basically gambling winnings. So essentially, if you can find a good way, a good niche way, a strategy to make a lot of money, you don't have to worry about paying tax on this because it's completely free. So everything you make comes straight into your bank and you don't have to worry about it. Okay,